Hey, my name's Nick. I'm with Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida. We're one of the largest Class B RV dealerships in the country. That's all we do. We specialize in Class B RVs. Today, I'm excited to show you guys a all brand new 2021 Roadtrek Zion SRT. Yes, this is a Roadtrek that is completely made by the new owners of Roadtrek Inc. That is not the old Roadtrek, it's not the old Erwin-Heimer. This is a new Roadtrek made by the new owners with new features, some new colors, some new things, but yet some of their things that put them at the top of the Class B market for the last 30 years. They stayed true to that, but slowly but surely they're tweaking this Roadtrek to make it more modern and more new and keep up with everybody else. So I'm excited to show you this Roadtrek. I'm a firm believer in Roadtreks. We've been Roadtreks dealers forever. They went out of business about 2 years ago, and it was pretty tough for everyone that owned a Roadtrek and everyone that really believed in their brand. But now they came back stronger than ever. They got new owners, new life, new vision, and they are going forward with great quality, a great warranty, and a great name behind it. So I can't wait to tell you more of that story, and I can't wait to show you more of this Roadtrek. So before we jump in this Roadtrek, I really want to show you something that I just absolutely love. Within the last week, they came out with this brand new magnetic screen. So I love how it says Roadtrek on it. You know, it's just a really high quality, but it rolls all the way up and it snaps up top. But then when you drop it down and you want to use it, it's just a little pull thing right here. It locks and then it opens wide to walk into. Then when you're done, it just closes right behind you. So this is one of the first things, I mean, I just love it. You know, this is showing me every day Roadtrek's coming out with something different. Every day they're coming out with something new. They got some new colors in here that you're gonna absolutely love them. So follow me inside and now we can check out what's inside of this Roadtrek. All right, so now that we're in the Roadtrek, you can really get a sense and feel for what it's like in here, how it feels. I mean, Roadtrek has made one color seats and sofa for the last 5 years, and now to do like a freshen up on their interiors, they've made much lighter seats, much lighter floors, nice light countertops. So it really, this is called their Sterling interior package. It really gives it a nice fresh feel here inside the coach. So one thing that Roadtrek has been Roadtrek put lithium batteries on the map. Back in 2015, no one ever knew what lithium batteries in an RV were. Roadtrek came out with this EcoTrek lithium system. Sure, it had some issues. They were the first one to do it. They were trying to figure it out. But now every Class B RV has lithium batteries because of Roadtrek blazing the way and getting it started. So they're still using EcoTrek lithium batteries. They still have their solar panels. They have the underhood generator. They have a 2,000 watt inverter. So that whole system really does let you use everything in this coach off the grid. Whether you're at a Cracker Barrel, or whether you're driving on the road at a national park, Mount Rushmore, Yosemite, wherever you're at in the country, all you gotta do is turn your lithium batteries on. You can use your air conditioner, you can use your fridge, you can use everything in this coach without being plugged in, without having your engine running, without any other power source. So it's a pretty sweet system, and Roadtrek, like I said, Roadtrek started it, few bumps along the way, but then now they're really focusing on quality. They're focusing on getting it right. And I will tell you, we were their first dealers that signed up with the new Roadtrek company about a year ago. They've been doing this about a year now with the new company, light years ahead of the old company. So much better quality, better customer service, better support, more attention to detail. They're not just pumping things out the door. They're making sure that what they're doing is right, and right the first time. And I can tell you, our experience now with these new Roadtreks is much better than it was. So we stand behind them. We believe in them. I know Roadtrek left us hanging. I know they left a lot of you guys hanging, but I will tell you, Roadtrek has been a staple in the Class B community for the last 30 years. They were one of the first ones to the market, and now they're back and they really are strong. So some of the cool things that I like about this particular coach is I like the size of the fridge. It's not too big, you know, but it's not too small either. It's not small like some of the other ones. I really like that it's elevated. I like that it's off the ground. You know, you open it up and it's here, it's off the ground, nice size, easy to use. Something else pretty cool right next to it is a pantry. So you slide this out, tons of space to put all kinds of stuff in there. So pretty cool there. You have a nice big pots and pan drawer right down here as well. So everything you need for your kitchen's right here. So lots of storage, lots of cabinets, all that. And as you kind of look over here, you got, this one has a gas stove. You got a 2-burner gas stove. You can also get induction if you'd like. And you also have a sink. So your sink is flush. It does give you a big countertop if you don't need to use a sink, but if you need to use it, it's there. So what I like right now is if I don't want to cook anything, if I don't need a sink, I have plenty of counter space. I can make a sandwich, I can put my stuff here, whatever I need. But if I need those things, I just lift it up and I have it there. So very cool use of the space through here. As we walk back, you can really get a sense of what I was talking about with this light interior. So this light interior, this is the first coach that they've made like this. So they are making lighter cabinets as well. They're going to call that their Magnolia package, but this is sterling. So this has the light floors, the light sofas, the light countertops. It's just kind of freshening the area up. So some of the other cool things that Roadtrek has done is they're giving you these sliding windows. So you got nice big windows here. So you got, that's your night package. When you go to bed, that's what you'll use there. But then there's a screen. So you have a screen over this entire window there. So you leave that open, you open the other side, you have cross ventilation, nice big windows, you got screens on both of them. So some pretty cool features back here in the back. So I always say this, I'm a big guy. I got plenty of space. I'm 6 foot tall, plenty of space to sit. I got seat belts back here. You lay this flat, you have a king size bed back here, plenty of space. This is a 19-foot RV, 19-foot Dodge ProMaster. And you can drive this thing anywhere, you can park it anywhere, you can go to the bathroom in it, take a shower, cook dinner, lay on the bed, you can sleep. I've met people that live in these things. I mean, there's so much space, and Roadtrek has done a great job of utilizing every square inch of space, from cabinets to little hidden nooks and crannies, to big drawers, to spice racks, to anywhere that they can find somewhere to give you some storage, they find it and they give it to you. So like I said, Roadtrek did go out of business a couple of years ago. They are back on the map. They've been back in business about a year now. They have a great 2-year warranty. Their customer service is light years ahead of the old Roadtrek. They're making great coaches, great quality, and we stand behind it. We believe in it. In the last year, we've become their #1 dealer. You know, we sell more of these Roadtreks than anybody else in the country. You know, this is all we do, is Class B RVs. So we really like Roadtrek, and the future is bright. I know they're coming out with a lot of new products here in the next couple of years, so the future is bright for Roadtrek. But this Zion SRT is a great reason why. This is a great use of space. They're the only ones building on this 19-foot ProMaster chassis right now. So if you don't want something that's 21 foot or 24 foot, if you want something that's still 19 foot, this is one of the only models that you can get. So check it out on our website, sunshinestatervs.com. We deliver free anywhere in the United States. We will drive this thing right to your front door, have a driver hand it to you, give it to you. We do everything remotely. With COVID right now, people are not wanting to fly. They're really wanting to be in these coaches. They're not wanting to come to Florida. They're wanting to stay wherever they're at. So we do whatever we have to do to get the RV directly to you and to help you with this process. We know it's a big process. This is the big deal. So we're there every step of the way with you. So check out our website, check out our other RVs. My name's Nick. Give me a call. I'm happy to help, and we'll help you find the Class B RV that's right for you. Thanks a lot for watching.